Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add the transition to your video in CapCut for PC. Alright, so import your video you want to edit and I'm going to select my video, add to the track. So to add the transition you can split the video before into three parts and you can add the transition. Just click transition and select the transition you like. For example, I'm going to select the pull in transition and adjust for the duration right here, and you can apply it to all the clip. Just click on it. So you can see the final result. Alright, that's how you add the transition to your video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.